McALLISTER Recreation Center is registering campers for their summer program. They're also taking applications for the junior counselor program. Coordinator Tyler Wade says they're looking for 13 and 14-year-olds who are ready to take on some responsibility.
It's hands-on work experience with our summer camp program. So the junior counselors will work with the camp counselors, helping them set up activities, doing crafts, just learning some firsthand experience in our day camp setting.
Wade says the program will allow junior counselors the chance to gain practical leadership skills.
The idea is to kind of give the kids a little bit of taste of jumping into the work world, giving them firsthand experience of work in a fun, safe environment.
Wade says potential junior counselors will have to go through a 3-step application process.
They'll have to apply with an application just like a job. They'll have to get 2 letters of recommendation with that job. And then after all that's said and done, we'll go through an interview process.
The junior counselor program began about 10 years ago. Wade says many of their junior counselors have stayed with the program.
The best thing about this is a lot of our counselors, our staff now in the summertime, have kind of grown up through the program. They've been campers, and then they're junior counselors, and then counselors.
The McALLISTER Summer Camp runs May 24th through August 10th. Register now at LAFAYETTEparks.org. Registration for the junior counselor program closes on April 1st. Dave North, Star City News, Lafayette.